Let's take a look at the first example. The very first thing which we're supposed to do, we're supposed to rewrite this example like open brackets, and I'm going to have minus 27 times x to negative 9th power. And everything is raised to power 1/3. Remember, anytime there is no exponent next to the number or variable, there is always invisible one. What you have to do? You have to do multiplication of external exponent by every single internal exponent. That's why this is going to be negative 27 to power 1/3 times x negative 9/1 times 1/3. Okay? What we're supposed to do next, you have to ask yourself question, what number raised to the 3rd power is going to give me 27? The answer is negative 3. Negative 3 raised to power 3 is going to give me negative 27. Everything has to be raised to power 1/3. I have to copy down this exponent. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. Now, if it comes to this multiplication, this 9 and this 3 will cancel out, and I'm going to end up with x negative 3. Now, I can rewrite this problem and say I have negative 3 x negative 3. Now, because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert the expression to the fraction by writing this over 1. And anytime you want to convert negative exponent to positive, you have to take this expression and bring down to the denominator, because I want to convert this negative exponent to positive. Negative divided by positive, okay? Negative sign divided by positive is going to give me negative. So my answer is going to be negative 3 over x to the 3rd. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Because I have 5 in the denominator over here, and I have 5 outside of the parentheses, I'm going to multiply the exponents first. That's why I'm going to have x 3 over 5 times negative 5 over 1. Because I'm dealing with fraction inside the parentheses, I'm going to convert external exponent to fraction also by writing 5 over 1 over x minus 2 times negative 5. Remember, I multiply the internal exponents by the external exponent. 5 and 5 will cancel out. And I have 3 times negative 1 is going to give me negative 3. Negative 3, because this is 3 over 1 is 3. 1 divided by 1 is negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 over x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. If I have negative exponent in the numerator and I want to convert this to positive, I'm going to take this expression to the denominator. Okay? And I'm going to have 1 over x to 10 x to the 3rd. Anytime I multiply the variables which have the same base, I have to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have x to 13. This is the solution to my problem. Next, what I have to do first, I have to multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. So I'm going to have a 2 over 7 times 3 over 4 over b 4 over 9 times 3 over 4. Because I have multiplication, I'm supposed to check if I can reduce something. 2 and 4, both of them are divisible by 2. 4 and 4, they cancel out each other, and I have 9 and 3, both of them are divisible by 3. This is equal a. 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, is 14 over b. 1 times 1 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. This is the solution to my problem.